Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming 360 LCD all-in-one cooler. I'm going to be doing something different today. Rather than just presenting the AIO cooler with all the specs and everything, I'm going to just tell you my thoughts and experience on the actual all-in-one cooler. So, what do I think about all-in-one coolers? Well, I've been using all-in-one coolers for quite a while, and I prefer using them than over the air coolers. The reason why, it looks good and actually uses the internal space of the case fully. And especially now with RGB fans, it looks fantastic in any PC build. There are many AIO coolers on the market. Some of them have just a standard kind of RGB lighting on them. Some of them have the LCD, and I like the LCD ones because it tells you the temperatures and system stats, and some of them allow you to have GIFs or JPEGs displayed on the LCD. Alright, so let's take a closer look and see what the all-in-one cooler looks like in a PC build. But before we do that, here's a quick word from our sponsors. This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. And here we have the ASRock Phantom Gaming 360 LCD all-in-one cooler installed. As you can see here, we have the radiator installed, and with the 360 HALO ARGB cooling fans in a unified frame. And notice it has a long RGB strip there, which looks fantastic, of course. It uses a radiator with a 32mm thickness, and most of the radiators out there are around about 25mm. This one has a 32mm thickness, which is helps with heat dissipation and everything, so that's all good. Here we have the 7mm thick tubing, which comes with a braided sleeve, which looks fantastic. And of course, now the LCD module right here. This module actually you can actually detach. It has these magnetic clamps on either corner, which allows you then to remove and position your LCD however you want it. Now the waterblock has a cooling fan built in, which allows the air to channel through to cool the VRM heatsinks as well as the memory. And this is quite unique for this all-in-one cooler. Mounting the LCD module is quite simple. Just put that over the actual water block and it just clamps in magnetically right there. The LCD is controlled by a USB cable which you connect to the side of the module, and then it goes into your motherboard using the USB header as well as the ARGB 3-pin as well as the 4-pin PWM cable. The LCD allows you to display GIFs, JPEGs, and also can control the RGB as well as the LCD display the system stats, including the CPU temperature, GPU temperatures, and the CPU frequency as well. It's controlled by the ASRock Polychrome display software, which you can download from ASRock's website. Idle temperatures is around about 40 degrees, 45 degrees, whereas on full load it hits around about 85 to 90 degrees, which is expected. On a normal workload, you're looking at about 60 degrees. If you're planning to build a gaming PC or a high-end system, I recommend to use an all-in-one cooler. It not only looks good, but actually helps with cooling the whole processor and the system itself. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming 360 LCD AIO cooler. A fantastic all-in-one cooler featuring a 3.4-inch IPS LCD display with a 360 HALO ARGB cooling fans in a unified frame that will look fantastic in any PC build. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.